Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's your host Nehru, and in today's video we are going to explore how to write unit test for Angular components. If you ever wondered how to ensure your Angular component work as expected, this video is for you. Let's get started. So today we will be walking through a unit test for an Angular component called TypeScript component. We will cover the basic structure of an Angular test, how to set up the testing environment, and what each part of the test does. So let's break down the code step by step to understand how it works. First, we import the necessary modules for testing. So we have component fixture, test bed, and the component itself. So in this case, it is TypeScript component. So here is a test bed. Okay, it's an Angular's primary API for writing test. It allows us to configure and create an Angular testing environment. And we have component fixture. This is a wrapper that helps us interact with our component in the testing context. Next, we define a test suite using the describe function. Okay. So inside this describe block, so this is the block. So inside this describe block, we have two variables. One is component and fixture. Okay, the component will hold an instance of TypeScript component, and fixture will manage that component during the test. So before running any test, we need to set up our testing module using the before each function. Okay, here what's happening? So testbed.configure testing module. So we create a testing module where declare the TypeScript component. So we have declarations here. So we declare the TypeScript component here. This simulates an Angular module that would be used in the app. Okay, so we have compile components. So this compiles the components in the module. Okay, so it's an asynchronous operation, which is why we have using await to ensure the components are ready before running the test. So after setting up the module, we create an instance of the component. Okay, so we have testbed dot create component and a TypeScript component. So this creates the instance of the TypeScript component and assigns it to the fixture. And we have component, fixture.component instance. So we access the component instance from the fixture. Okay. And we have fixture.detect changes. So this triggers Angular's change detection, which is necessary to update the component's state. So now we can write a simple test case to check if the component is created successfully. Okay, so it should create. So we see it should create. So this is our test case. Okay, the it function. So this is the it function. Okay, it function describes what the test is checking. In this case, the component should be created. Okay. And we have expect component to be truthy. So the expect function is an assertion that checks if the component instance is truthy, meaning it exists and is not null or undefined. Okay, and that's it. This test check if our TypeScript component is created without any issues. Okay, so unit testing is a crucial part of ensuring that your Angular component works as intended, and this is just the beginning. As you build a more complex component, you will write more detailed tests to cover different scenarios. So if you found this explanation helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.